Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of some of the rarest animals on the planet. From dense jungles to hidden mountain ranges, we'll uncover the secrets of these elusive creatures. You won't believe these animals actually exist. Join me as we journey across continents, exploring the incredible diversity of life on Earth. We'll encounter animals with unique adaptations, surprising behaviors, and captivating stories. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the natural world and the importance of protecting these precious species. Deep in the Annamite Mountains, shrouded in mist and mystery, lives an animal so rare it's been dubbed the Asian unicorn. This is the saola, a creature so elusive it was only discovered in 1992. With its long, straight horns that seem to pierce the forest canopy, the saola is a truly magnificent sight. It's a creature of the shadows, preferring the dense, undisturbed forests of Vietnam and Laos. Very little is known about their behavior. Scientists believe they are primarily browsers, feeding on leaves, figs, and other vegetation. But their shy nature and preference for remote, inaccessible habitats make them incredibly difficult to study. The saola is critically endangered, threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and the ever-present danger of snaring. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this enigmatic creature, but its future remains uncertain. Seeing a saola in the wild is a rare privilege, a testament to the hidden wonders that still exist in our world. On the island of Madagascar, where evolution has taken a unique and fascinating turn, lives the aye. This nocturnal lemur is a master of its domain, with an uncanny ability to find food in the darkest of nights. With its large, bat-like ears, piercing eyes, and one extraordinarily long middle finger, the aye might appear unsettling to some. But this strange anatomy is perfectly adapted to its unusual feeding habits. Using echolocation, the aye taps on trees, listening for the telltale sounds of grubs and insects hiding within. Once located, it uses its powerful teeth to gnaw a hole in the wood. Then its long, skeletal middle finger comes into play, probing the cavity and expertly extracting the unsuspecting prey. It's a feeding strategy unlike any other in the animal kingdom. Sadly, the aye is also endangered, facing habitat loss and persecution due to superstitious beliefs. But conservation efforts are working to protect this bizarre and wonderful creature. Imagine a parrot that cannot fly. This is the kakapo, a critically endangered bird found only in New Zealand. Known for its mossy green plumage, the kakapo is nocturnal and herbivorous. What makes the kakapo unique is its booming call, used by males to attract females during breeding season. Intensive conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining individuals. In the warm waters of the northern Gulf of California swims the world's rarest marine mammal, the vaquita. This small porpoise, with its distinctive dark rings around its eyes and a small curved dorsal fin, is critically endangered. The vaquita faces a bleak future. Entanglement in gill nets used to catch other marine life is the primary threat to their survival. These nets, often set illegally to catch totoaba fish, trap and drown the vaquita. Despite efforts to ban gillnet fishing in their habitat, illegal fishing continues, pushing the vaquita closer to extinction. Scientists estimate that fewer than 10 individuals remain. The Mexican government, along with international organizations, is working tirelessly to save the vaquita. Efforts include increased patrols to combat illegal fishing and the development of alternative fishing gear. The fate of the vaquita hangs in the balance. Only time will tell if these efforts will be enough to save this elusive and critically endangered porpoise. Covered in overlapping scales, the pangolin resembles a walking pine cone. Found in Africa and Asia, these shy, nocturnal creatures are the world's only mammals with scales. Sadly, their unique defense mechanism is no match for their greatest threat, humans. Pangolins are often called scaly anteaters due to their diet of ants and termites, which they lap up with their long, sticky tongues. Their scales, made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails, offer protection from predators. But these scales have also made them a target for illegal wildlife trade. Pangolin scales are in high demand in some parts of Asia, used in traditional medicine and as status symbols. This illegal trade, coupled with habitat loss, has decimated pangolin populations worldwide. All 8 species of pangolins are now threatened with extinction. Conservation organizations are working to raise awareness about the plight of pangolins, pushing for stricter enforcement of wildlife laws and promoting sustainable alternatives to pangolin products. High in the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China amongst the bamboo forests, lives a creature as adorable as it is elusive, the red panda. With its rusty red fur, bushy tail, and charmingly masked face, it's a sight to behold. Smaller than its black and white cousin, the giant panda, the red panda is a solitary creature, spending most of its life in the trees. It's an agile climber, using its sharp claws and prehensile tail to navigate the branches. Primarily herbivorous, the red panda feeds mainly on bamboo, supplementing its diet with fruits, insects, and the occasional bird egg. They are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. Habitat loss and fragmentation, along with poaching for their fur and the pet trade, threaten the red panda's survival. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, anti-poaching patrols, and community education. The red panda is a flagship species for conservation, reminding us of the beauty and fragility of the natural world and the importance of protecting it for future generations. Soaring above the rainforests of the Philippines, the Philippine eagle commands attention. With its impressive wingspan and striking appearance, it's a true monarch of the skies. Sadly, the Philippine eagle is critically endangered, with only an estimated 400 pairs left in the wild. The Philippine Eagle Foundation leads the fight to save this iconic species. The survival of this national symbol depends on our efforts to protect its habitat. Deep within the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo resides the elusive okapi. Often called the forest giraffe or zebra giraffe, the okapi is unique. With its reddish-brown coat and zebra-like stripes, it camouflages well. The okapi is solitary and difficult to study. They feed on leaves, fruits, and fungi. Endangered, they face habitat loss and poaching. Conservation efforts are crucial for their survival. In the ancient canals of Xochimilco, near Mexico City, lives an amphibian unlike any other, the axolotl. With its feathery gills, lidless eyes, and a permanent, almost whimsical smile, the axolotl captivates all who encounter it. Also known as the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl is a type of salamander that spends its entire life in water. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls retain their larval features throughout their lives, a phenomenon known as neoteny. Axolotls possess an extraordinary ability to regenerate limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their hearts. This remarkable regenerative capacity has made them a subject of intense scientific research. Sadly, the axolotl is critically endangered in the wild. Pollution, habitat loss due to urbanization, and the introduction of invasive species have pushed them to the brink. Conservation efforts focus on habitat restoration, captive breeding programs, and public education to raise awareness about the plight of this fascinating creature. The axolotl serves as a reminder of the wonders of the natural world and the importance of conservation. In the murky waters of Southeast Asia's rivers and coastlines, a unique and charismatic dolphin makes its home, the Irrawaddy dolphin. With its rounded head, short beak, and playful nature, the Irrawaddy dolphin is a joy to behold. Unlike most marine dolphins, the Irrawaddy dolphin is adapted to life in both saltwater and freshwater environments. They are found in rivers, estuaries, and coastal areas, often venturing far upstream in search of food. These social dolphins live in small groups, communicating with each other using clicks, whistles, and squeaks. They feed on a variety of fish, crustaceans, and cephalopods, using echolocation to navigate and hunt in murky waters. Sadly, the Irrawaddy dolphin is endangered, facing threats from habitat degradation, entanglement in fishing gear, and pollution. Dams and other infrastructure projects also disrupt their riverine habitats. Conservation efforts include establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable fishing practices, and raising awareness about the threats facing these dolphins. Protecting the Irrawaddy dolphin means safeguarding the health of the rivers and coastal ecosystems they call home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife content. The animals we've encountered today face an uncertain future, but by understanding the threats they face and supporting conservation efforts, we can all play a part in ensuring their survival. Remember, every action counts, no matter how small. Let's work together to protect these amazing creatures and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.